Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. We are here with a tutorial on using the trading cabin of the Pocket Option Broker from the Tradingfinder website. As you can see, when you log into your account, we are by default on this page, which is the broker's trading page. In this section, we have the asset chart, where we can select from the available list of various assets, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, etc. Additionally, by clicking this option, we can change the settings related to the timeline and chart model. We can see other options here, such as market sentiments, where most trades are currently either buy or sell. In this section, we have the server time, and here we can enter the amount we wish to trade. There is a buy option, a sell option, and an AI trading option that can be a good help for beginners and those who are new to this market, as it suggests buy and sell positions based on the signals within the site. Also, here we can see the profit amount that we can gain from this trade. We start from this section. As you can see, we can click on this avatar to enter the profile. We have the deposit and withdrawal sections, notifications sent to us, and support, as well as the settings and language options. We encounter some sections like deposit and withdrawal multiple times across different parts of the website, and they all function similarly, allowing us access to them in various areas of the site. In this section, as you can see, our name, email, wallet balance, and user ID are displayed, along with the achievements we have made during our trading period. Additionally, the status of our real account is shown. By clicking on the profile option, we can edit the information we entered on this site. In the trading profile section, we can see information related to our trading history displayed in various charts. In the security section, we can change our password or enable two-factor authentication with Google Authenticator. Also, in the trading history section, we can view information related to our real and demo accounts on different dates. The trading history of various trading accounts such as share trading, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, social trading, express, and ongoing trades. The next section is deposits and withdrawals, which have been taught to you in separate videos with various deposit and withdrawal methods. In this section, we see notifications sent to us by the website regarding trades or news, and if you need support, you can click this option to talk to the support team of this website. In the settings section, you can change initial settings such as language, website sounds, theme, or chart-related sections. Now, in this left section, by clicking the trading option, we have access to our various trading accounts, including demo and real accounts on different platforms. On this page, as you can see, we can enter the forex section of the Pocket Option Broker by clicking on the forex option. In MetaTrader 5, in the new page that opens, we have access to our Real account, and here we can request forex trades. On the right side, we have the buy and sell options, as well as deposit, withdrawal, market order, and buy price order. We can specify the volume we wish to place an order for, and in this section, we can also set the take profit and stop loss options. On the left side, by clicking the first option, we can log into our MetaTrader 5 account with our login and password. In the finance section, we again have the options for deposit, withdrawal, deposit history, and internal transfer, which allows us to transfer between internal accounts of Pocket Option. Other parts of the forex section of the Pocket Option Broker are similar to the options section of the Pocket Option Broker, but this history relates to the forex section. Now, let's return to the options section. In the finance section, you will again encounter the options for deposit, withdrawal, and deposit history, as well as cashback, promo codes, and fund bonuses. In the fund bonus section, you can receive an annual profit of 10% by investing your money. We also have the profile option, which includes sections for trading profile, loyalty program, security, and trading history. In the market section, you can make purchases related to the gems of the Pocket Option website, or use various promo and bonus codes. Additionally, you will encounter sections like gem lottery and gem mining, which are specific to the website. Explanations regarding these sections are provided here in the gem mining and gem lottery sections. Gems are awarded to you when you copy the remaining traders, and in the gem lottery, you can participate with the gems you have and receive prizes related to this site. The next section available on this website is Achievements. In the Achievements section, the prizes that have been awarded are displayed. On the right side of this section, we can see our opened and closed trades. In the Signals section of the Pocket Option Broker, there is a part where signals are provided based on the analysis of some analysts, which we can copy and execute on our trading account. We have the Social Trading section, which is fully explained in another video. There is also the Express Trading section, which starts from the PO Master Level profile, and we can utilize it. We also have the Tournament section, which has been explained previously, where we can participate in various tournaments and receive rewards by executing certain trades. We have pending trades, which we can apply based on time and price, and by selecting this option, we can see some hacks related to executing trades for faster transactions. This was a brief tutorial on how to work with the Pocket Option Broker's cabin. In other tutorials, we will guide you step by step through the various sections of the site in more detail. Wishing you success and profitability.